Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use blood oxygen on your Apple Watch. First, make sure your watch is running the most current software. Next, confirm the blood oxygen app is active on both your watch and your paired iPhone. For accurate readings, wear your Apple Watch snugly on your wrist, positioned about 1 to 2 finger widths above your wrist bone. This ensures good contact for the sensors to work effectively. To take a measurement, simply open the blood oxygen app directly on your Apple Watch. Once the app is open, rest your arm on a flat surface, ensuring your palm is upwards. It's crucial to remain completely still for the entire 15-second duration of the measurement. Any movement or talking can interfere with the sensors and lead to an inaccurate reading, so try to relax and stay calm. After the 15 seconds, your Apple Watch will display your blood oxygen saturation percentage. For most healthy individuals, a typical reading falls between 95% and 100%. If your readings are consistently below 95%, it might suggest a lower than normal oxygen level. The app also keeps a history of your measurements, allowing you to track trends over time. Always consult a healthcare professional if you have any health concerns. For the most accurate results, keep your Apple Watch's back crystal clean and free of any debris. Tattoos on your wrist, particularly where the sensors make contact, can sometimes interfere with the readings. Factors like cold skin, recent vigorous exercise, or even certain medications can also impact accuracy. If you frequently encounter unsuccessful readings, try slightly adjusting the watch's position or ensuring it's snug enough without being too tight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.